Hi everyone, in this Leetcode problem we're going to find the modes in the binary search tree. What is the mode? Modes are the values that appear most frequently in the tree. So given the root of a tree, let's find the most frequently occurring values. For example, if the input tree looks like this, the output would be 2, because 2 appears more frequently than 1. Before we start, we define the variables current value, current count, maximum count, and modes. We'll use an in-order traversal function to process the tree. If you want to learn more about what is in-order traversal, you can check my other two videos that you can find by typing in-order traversal data head curl. And these two videos explain in-order traversal in more details. In general, in-order traversal visits the nodes in the order left, current, right. The helper function handle value counts occurrences of each value. It checks how many times the current value has been encountered consecutively during an in-order traversal. It updates the modes if the count of the current value exceeds or matches the maximum frequency seen so far. So first it checks if the value has changed. If the value is different from the current value, it means a new value is encountered. We update the current value to a new value and reset current count to 0, because this is the first occurrence of the new value. Since the traversal is in sorted order, consecutive occurrences of the same value are grouped together. You can see it here as well. After 2 comes also 2. This condition helps restart the count for a new value. If the value is the same as the current value, we increment the count. Next, we compare the current count with the highest frequency seen so far. If the current count is bigger, we update the maximum count because it means that a new highest frequency has been found. In addition, we reset the modes list to include the current value. If the current count is the same as the maximum count, it means it's another mode with the same maximum frequency. So we add this value to the mode list. Finally, we traverse the whole tree, visiting each node and return the modes list. Like and subscribe for more Leetcode challenges.